If you want to remove a toolbar shortcut button in Google Chrome, this video will show you the quickest way to clean up your browser and get rid of the buttons you do not use. Whether it is an extension icon, the side panel button, the home button, the reading mode button, or even the cast button, you can usually hide it in just a few clicks. This is a simple Chrome tweak that can make your browser look much cleaner and feel easier to use. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tips like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the regular browser window and not inside a settings page yet. Once Chrome is open, look at the area near the address bar at the top. This is where most toolbar shortcut buttons appear. Depending on your setup, you may see extension icons, a side panel icon, the home button, a reading mode button, or the cast button. Next, find the toolbar button you want to remove. Once you spot it, right-click on that button. A small menu should appear on the screen. This menu gives you options for that specific shortcut, and the exact options can vary depending on the type of button you clicked. For some buttons, you may see an option like Unpin. For others, you may see Hide in Toolbar or Remove from Chrome. Choose the option that matches the button you want to get rid of. If you are removing a built-in toolbar shortcut like the home button, side panel, or reading mode button, selecting the hide or remove option should make it disappear right away. If it is an extension button, the process is a little different but still very easy. In that case, click the puzzle piece icon in Chrome to open your extensions list. Find the extension you no longer want showing in the toolbar, then click the pin icon to unpin it. Once it is unpinned, the extension stays installed, but its shortcut button disappears from the toolbar. If you ever want the button back later, you can always return to the same menu and pin it again, or restore it through Chrome's extension controls. That means you are not deleting anything permanently unless you specifically remove the extension itself. This makes it a safe way to customize Chrome exactly the way you want it. So that is how to remove the toolbar shortcut button in Chrome in just a few seconds. A cleaner toolbar can help you stay focused and make Chrome feel less cluttered. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Chrome tutorials, browser fixes, and helpful computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.